I'm about to show you an exercise that can help you stop snoring. Snoring is not only uncomfortable for the person sleeping next to us, but can also suggest that we're not getting enough oxygen at night. So what you want to do is stick your tongue to the roof of your mouth and snap back, creating a clicking sound like this. You want to aim to do that 15 to 30 times each day. This exercise strengthens your tongue muscle, which can help with snoring. Share this video with someone who you know struggles with snoring.